Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us. It is wonderful to have you here. This is an introduction to our new video series where we're going to be talking about additive manufacturing and design for additive manufacturing tools. And I want to make sure that we start with the end in mind when we start designing for additive manufacturing. Design for additive manufacturing is no different than designing for any other type of manufacturing, where we have to keep the end in mind when we start our design. For this video series, we're going to be using a metal powder bed printer, laser sintered, and so you're going to be seeing some design techniques that are specific to that style of additive manufacturing. So please hit that subscribe button, hit the little bell right next to it so you get notified when a new video comes out, and stay tuned. We're going to be talking about lattice in the first part of our series.